With this Cricut business, you do not need to make your products upfront. Hey guys, it's Bird from Inside Outline, and welcome back to another Cricut business success story video. This video is going to be really quick, but I just want to show you one example of a Cricut business where you do not need to make your product upfront. And I'm going to be showing you this Etsy shop right here called Weddings and Whimsy. They have 5 stars. They have over 9,500 reviews or 9,500 sales on Etsy. Lily is the shop owner, and what this shop mostly sells are basically like gift tags or labels. So I'm just going to scroll through, call out some things, highlight some things for you that are very important for you to incorporate into your Cricut business. First off is they have Lily has over 279 products for her Etsy shop. She has them categorized or sectioned off over here on the left side. You can see that she makes a lot of different custom labels and stickers. So what I do want to point out is I said that you do not need to make the product up front. Basically, what she did was to either get a mock-up or she created her own mock-up of different types of labels. And so as you can see here, she has some thank you labels, jam-packed with love, and all of these most of these she customized them for the client or the customer. So basically she will change out the name, she will change out the color of the text, color of the cardstock, or whatever the customer wants. Also over here, that's a mock-up of a bottle of, sparkling water or whatever it may be. You can also make labels for wine as well. But I'm just going to scroll through her shop and let you see. This one right here has over 20 or over 20 people have it in their cart. And it's basically a round custom tag. She has some that are shaped like diamonds or squares, has a lot of different circles, have these ones that look like a little ribbon cut out as well. So again, you can create a mock-up, basically design whatever you want to design, either in Canva or whatever editing software that you use. Lots of different types, for holidays and birthdays. You can even sell these labels to business owners. You don't have to sell them to just customers. So check out this Etsy shop. Gonna keep scrolling, has a lot of reviews, over 2,300 reviews. Gonna scroll all the way down to the bottom. I do love to when people leave pictures of how they use the labels. So some people leave them or use them for baked goods, or in this picture, same thing. Down here we have some honey. Just gonna click on that. You can see what that label looks like. Gonna scroll down some more. This looks really cool, really neat. These may be stickers as well. So it doesn't just have to be gift tags with cardstock. You can also make sticker papers like I showed you on that either wine bottle or that sparkling wine. You can make, stickers or even, labels with cardstock too. So I'm gonna keep scrolling down so we can learn a little bit more about the shop. So again, over 9,500 sales, start their Etsy shop in 2010. I do want to say that, some people may try to do the calculations and say, oh, if she started in 2010, she's been on Etsy for 14 years or whatever, and she only has 95 sales. That may not be the case. Whenever she started her Etsy shop, she may have been selling a different type of product. She may have also not taken Etsy very seriously either. So sometimes when you're looking at these numbers, they don't tell the full picture or the full story. I love reading the about page for the shop owners, just to see what their background is or whatever information they want to share. Lily is a graphic designer. I do think that graphic designers, they do really well when it comes to Cricut business, especially from like making SVGs and making different types of designs. So I definitely enjoy reading that about page. I'm just going out on a limb to assume that this person is using a Cricut machine to make all of their labels. I could be incorrect in saying that, but I do want to say that if you have a Cricut machine, you can definitely make labels like this, obviously come up with your own designs and things like that. And you can definitely start a business selling custom gift tags and labels and stickers and things like that. What I want to do now is to just click on one of the products and look at some of the details on that product. So I clicked on this one. It had over 20 people had it in their cart. It's just a round gift tag. I do like that she has different colors, color options that the customer can choose. Additional color options, also have different font options that the customers can choose. Font options, color options, those are really good. She also has some information just about placing orders and when things typically ship out from her shop. And then over here, I do like that she has different sizes that people can choose from. I do like that she allows customers to choose whether they want a hole cut into the gift tag or not, because some people may not be using them to tie onto a gift or something like that. They may use them for some other purpose. So I do like that she gives people that option. As you can see, the price range runs from $17 and some change all the way up to $183. So let's click on the amount of tags to see what that looks like. So right here, she's offering white tags, brown tags. And then if we just scroll all the way down, we can see she goes from 40 tags all the way down to 360. And so that's what makes the product a little bit more expensive. Okay, so scrolling down, she also has some additional personalization instructions for the customers. I like that she has this box so that they can fill in some information. She says if they're using a logo or a graphic, they can send that to her email address. And then she also points out that these are single-sided only. I don't know if that's the case for all of her products, but if you're printing then cutting with the Cricut, you can only print then cut on one side. There may be some hacks out there. I'm not aware of them. If you're aware of some print and cut front and back hacks, leave those down in the comments below. So just gonna, scroll down a little bit, check out some of these pictures. I absolutely love looking at the pictures from the customers. These people or this person looks like they use the gift tags to tie to maybe some crocheted or quilted items. Again, you can sell these gift tags to businesses only. You don't only have to focus on individual customers. I always tell people, get into your local community, see how you can help other businesses in your community. They may be buying things from Etsy themselves, and if you can go in and make that relationship with them and let them know what you could potentially create for them, that's one customer that you have in your local community. So I'm just going to flip through. This looks like party favors. Just flipping through some of these pictures from customers so you can see what those look like. Really, really cool ideas. Okay, so that is all that I have for you. I'm gonna go back over to the shop. It is the Weddings and Whimsy Etsy shop. Go and check out her shop. Again, if you have a Cricut business or if you're thinking about starting your own Cricut business, you definitely wanna do some research. Part of that research is going to Etsy and seeing what other people are doing, how they're doing those things. If you have any questions or comments, go ahead, put those down below in the chat. If you would like to schedule a one-on-one call with me, look down in the description box below for a link that says that you can schedule a one-on-one coaching call with me. I can help you build out your Etsy shop, your Shopify store, or any type of website that you want to build to sell your own Cricut products. Or if you just need some advice on how to get started selling your Cricut creations, schedule a one-on-one call with me. So I hope that you all enjoyed this video. Again, leave any questions or comments down below in the description. Thanks.